Automation Challenge 2023, a novel initiative to encourage engineering students. India Automation Challenge 2023 welcomes budding engineers of India to design and build automation systems with practical applications.
We are Siddhartha College, all the way from Vijayawada to Mumbai, and going back happy.
Happy actually, but expected more. But it's okay. Next time again we'll come back and give it our best shot next time.
So you will spot welding, you will spot your place also the next time, right?
Definitely, it will be a strong build.
Great. I am happy to see you guys winning and going back with some memories. What else was your experience?
As much as experience here, I have seen the most of the projects somewhere else too. As much as industrial based, I think we got a better one.
And we also saw different stalls and got to learn a lot and experience a lot also. And it was a great honor meeting a lot of industries and a lot of business people and sharing information with them. So we definitely learned a lot and we are taking a lot of baggage of information and knowledge. That will be hopefully useful for us future also.
So would you all be seeing yourselves as entrepreneurs or consultants, or what would it be?
I'm sure some of us will be entrepreneurs, great entrepreneurs, and some of us will be great engineers as well. And we'll be working together and making the engineering world a better place for sure.
Great. So congratulations on the third place and all the best to you all.